I bought a TEETER FitSpine LX9 Inversion Table. It showed up today. Let's unbox it, put it together, and see how this works. Everything came nicely packaged. The box has instructions everybody can read, even without glasses. All right, let's get started. We're going to assemble it, look for the instructions. Should take us 20 minutes. Have the instructions. Everything's unwrapped. Have out the instructions. I'm going to get started. I'm going to start a timer. Here we go. Okay, that's the basic unit. 30 minutes to assemble it. Let's give it a try. When you set this, you got to make sure you get it in the right spot. You got 5 feet, you got 6 feet. When I first slid this in, I covered half of this, so I'm 6'1", so I went to here, and that was 5'1", and when I leaned back on that, I went over fast. So make sure you get that set right to balance yourself. Where you put your feet are adjustable. This step rotates off center so it can change how high your feet are or how low they are in the cuffs. These are nice because these slide in and out to match your stance. And these are very comfortable. This is nice. It ratchets. Lock you in nice, easy to release, just like the emergency brake in your car. Let's try it. Alright, with the height set right, should be able to go back real easy. Boy, does that stretch you out. And the cuffs that hold my ankles are soft, so that doesn't hurt or pull. As long as you have the height set right on that foot bar, you'll know it because you'll be able to balance. This TEETER is definitely heavy duty. It's got some weight to it. It probably weighs 60, 65 pounds. But it's solid and it's sturdy. Whew. All right. Very nice. I've hung upside down on this maybe 6 or 8 times already today, and I can feel a difference in my back. It stretches out. It really feels good. Before I bought this, I did a lot of research because the most common complaint with these inversion tables is the ankle supports. A lot of them have bars and wheels. These cuffs actually grip you pretty good and they're comfortable. They don't hurt. And this is a very sturdy apparatus. It's heavy and you can feel it when you get in it. It is not rickety. So I'm looking forward to many hours of use on this thing and maybe make myself a couple inches taller. all together, right? I ain't gonna hurt myself. Whoa. No, you know what the problem is? I don't have that long